How to change your CPU fan in your laptop. Hey guys, welcome to How to Fix It. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your laptop CPU fan. Before starting any work on your laptop, make sure it's powered off and disconnected from any power source. This ensures your safety and prevent any electrical accident. For this, we just need a screwdriver that fits your laptop and a plastic card. If the bottom of your laptop is hot or your laptop is running really slow, this is when you need to check your fan. The primary role of the fan is to regulate the temperature of the laptop by dissipating heat generated during operation. You have to be careful when doing this. Do not put any drinks or anything nearby the laptop. You cannot even sweat over your laptop because you might damage the whole laptop. This is the HP Pavilion 15 inches Intel Core i7 8th generation. So we're gonna start off by removing all the screws at the bottom of your laptop. Put the screws in a way where you can remember how to install them back. Usually I draw the same image that I have on my laptop on a smaller size, as you can see here at the top, and I make sure the screws go in the same shape how they were, so I do not miss any screw or lose them, plus I do not lose where they actually were. Changing the fan could make a lot of improvement in your laptop because sometimes your fan collect a lot of dust and sometimes it's fully blocked. So the last time I was cleaning it, because I knew that the fan was fully blocked, I removed a lot of dust, and when I was cleaning the actual fan, it started to fall apart because it was very old. So in that case, you might think, oh, I might need a new laptop, or I might need to upgrade because my laptop is lagging, it's getting hot and it's not working anymore, and it's making you frustrated and you need to buy a new one and all that stuff. That was actually my case. But before I did that, I went on and checked on my CPU fan, and I realized that it's completely dusted. Plus I checked on the CPU thermal paste. It was completely dead, so I had to replace both of them. I had to replace the paste that is above the CPU. This one keeps the temperature of the CPU cool, and it helps a lot the fan to cool down the CPU, because if your thermal paste is already dead and old, then you will start to realize that there's a lot of lagging during editing or playing games. Once your screws are removed, we're gonna start by popping off the sides of the laptop. Nice and easy. I recommend use any card that you have, a plastic card, and just put it inside of the sides and slide it over, and then it will pop open very easily without damaging any side of your laptop. Here we're gonna remove the CD frame. It's so easy to uninstall this laptop. I've done it a few times. Here you need to actually be careful with these ones because they're the clips are small and sensitive, but if you press in the black clips inside, you can easily remove them without damaging the cover. That black fan in the middle, that we need to replace, and I will show you in a bit the damage. I actually opened the laptop before. I took the code that is on the fan, so I'm able to order the same fan. If you have the same laptop that I have and you want to change your own fan, I will leave a link for this fan in the description below so you can buy the same one. Make sure to get the code or the QR code on your fan, and if you Google that number, you can easily find the same fan and order to replace it. So the same thing I do with the screws. There is 3 screws around the fan. You can easily see that. And there is the main electricity clip. Once you disconnect the fan and you remove the 3 screws around the fan, make sure as well to put those screws in a way where you don't lose them, and also in the same order how you see them on the fan. This way you will put them back where they belong. As you can see here, the fan is completely damaged. It was making a lot of noise and I had to replace it. The last time I removed it, it was full of dust. It was completely dusted, and also the CPU black cover was full of dust. Once you replace it with a new fan, make sure to plug it in the same way it was. There you can see clip, you can see how you supposed to install it. There is like two tongues on the side, so there is only one way this fan could be installed. And in my case, I haven't changed either my fan or my CPU thermal paste in 5 years. So when I opened my laptop, I realized fan was completely dusted and completely blocked. When I tried to clean it, the fan falling apart because it was so old, and I think because it was running so hot as well, it damaged the whole fan. Anyway, when I was trying to clean it, the fan was falling apart, so I had to replace it. And at the same time, I ordered thermal paste for the CPU to change the CPU. If you want to watch this video how you can change your CPU thermal paste, it will help. The new thermal paste will help regulate the temperature of your laptop and give you way better performance than before. An efficiently functioning fan prevents overheating. Once you install it, you put back the screws and then you start off your laptop, and there you go. So if you're lately feeling that your laptop is going slow, and if you touch the bottom of your laptop and you feel that your laptop is going so hot, I noticed that lately with my laptop. And when I bought my laptop, it was really strong and fast, and during this 5 years that I had, step after step, I'm realizing that my laptop is going slower and slower. And I realized that it's time to open the laptop and clean the fan. And by the time I was cleaning the fan, I damaged it because it was so weak and it was old, and it was time to replace it. If you have the same laptop that I have and you want to change your own fan, I will leave a link for this fan in the description below, so you can buy the same one. Here on this channel, I do my best to share all my fixing project. I do have a bunch of random fixing project of daily stuff, fixing your house, laptop, car, whatever you might actually think of or need. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too, and save yourself some money. Thank you so much for your support. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. There is always more to learn and fix. Explore my channel for a variety of tutorials and fixing, upgrading and tweaking. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on my latest tutorial. And if you have any questions or want to share your own fixing story, drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Thank you for being part of my fixing community, and see you in the next time.